How to use promo codes. In this video, we will explain what promo codes are for, where to use them, and how to set them up. Promo codes are an effective tool for attracting new customers and retaining existing ones. They are special codes that provide your clients with a discount either as a percentage or a fixed amount based on your commission. Promo codes not only help clients save money, but also make them feel special by offering a personalized discount or bonus that is not available to everyone. For example, you can offer a promo code for a client's birthday, a holiday event, or to encourage inactive clients to make a booking. Promo codes also work well for boosting sales during low seasons or launching new travel products. Moreover, they allow you to analyze which offer resonate most with your audience, helping you fine-tune future marketing campaigns. Promo codes are not only a way to offer discounts to your clients, but also an excellent tool for working with bloggers and influencers. You can provide them with unique codes, track the traffic they generate, and use this data to compensate your partners accordingly. Go to the promo code management section in the main menu. Let's look at two different scenarios: a one-time promo code for a client's birthday and a reusable promo code to stimulate Thailand bookings during the low season. Click Add and fill in all the required fields. The first scenario is a 5% discount on any booking within a month for Mrs. Anna Schmidt birthday. Choose the one-time promo code option. Come up with a short and simple code name. You can limit the promo code's validity to specific countries, but in this case, we'll leave all countries available. Be sure to specify the booking and travel date range. Click Save. The second scenario involves a promotional video on Instagram and a post on a Telegram channel about a €100 discount for booking a summer holiday in Thailand. Please note that the system automatically suggests the minimum service cost required for the promo code to work. This restriction depends on your commission settings. Next, select a multi-use promo code so multiple people can use it, create a name, and limit it to one country, Thailand. The booking period is 1 month. And travel dates are June 1st to August 31st. Save it. Now, you can send the created promo code to its intended recipients or publish it on social media. You can also edit or disable the promo code whenever needed. When a client who has received a promo code books a travel service on your website that meets the promo code's conditions, they simply need to enter the code to receive their discount. The same process applies when a client follows a link to pay for a booking you have created for them. They must enter the promo code in the corresponding field to apply the discounted price. Meanwhile, in your agent account, you can track client bookings made using promo codes in the promo code management section. For instance, you can monitor bookings made with different promo codes. We are confident that promo codes are a powerful tool for growing your business, allowing you to build stronger connections with your clients, increase customer loyalty, and of course, drive more sales. Use them, experiment with different formats, and see how they help make your service even more in demand and successful.